Here you go, guys. It's Oscam here. I'm here to present to you this new camera that's been put on Anzac Parade, and it's on Moore Park, Sydney. As you can see, the camera is behind me on the signpost. On top of it, there is the flash and 6 cameras. They are taking photos of every car who is driving past, and then they are analyzing these photos and taking your number plate. At the moment, these cameras are on trial. So once they are analyzing them and they can see you are using mobile phone or you are holding the phone, you have to be able to hold the phone, or if it is in your lap. If you are doing any of this, you will get caught and they will send you the fine by mail, and it's $337 fine. If your phone is in a holder, yeah, that's fine, but you're still not allowed to hold the phone while this is on holder. So you can only touch it. That's the closest you can go. Or if you are an Uber driver or something like that, you can just touch and accept the job, but you can't hold the phone. That's $337 fine, 5 demeter point by new law. If you are a P1 or P2, like provisional drivers, you are not even allowed to touch it, even in a holder. So just be careful. This is Australia's first in New South Wales. This camera is still on trial for about, I think, in the next 60 days. So there's a one here in Anzac Parade. The second one is on Prospect. Pretty soon there will be many around it, the country, around the state. They will be making money. Well, if you are not using phone while you are driving, you should not be worried about it. Well, thanks for watching. Just an update, and don't forget to check my other videos. It's Oscam. Thank you.